A problem in our environment that many people don't know about is poaching. Poaching is the action of illegally hunting animals for their profitable parts. The Smithsonian estimates that about 76 to 80 million sharks are killed annually for their fins.
This is called shark finning, where poachers cut off their fins for the purpose of making shark fin soup, all just so people can show off their wealth status.
We are your friendly neighborhood scientists, Isabella and Majdi.
Shark finning is defined as the process of cutting off the fins to a shark and then dumping its still living body back into the ocean. Because of this, the sharks are unable to swim, and so they die of suffocation, predation, or blood loss.
The reason why fishermen like to poach sharks for their fins is because that they find these parts more valuable and profitable. And because of this, they also like to save more room on their boats, making room for more fins.
Ever since the 70s, sharks have been villainized in the public eye by movies such as
Jaws
and 47 Meters Down.
Today, shark populations, such as the scalloped hammerhead, have actually decreased by 60 to 70% due to human shark fisheries.
Sharks are so heavily villainized in our society, and people are terrified of sharks when they have absolutely no reason to be.
These shark-infested waters are really their natural habitats, so when you see a shark attack, it's really unlikely for that to happen. You're actually more likely to be struck by lightning than you are to be bitten by a shark.
As you can see, these waters would not be the way they are today if we didn't have sharks balancing our ecosystems.
The many fish you know today in the ocean wouldn't be possible as sharks help maintain biodiversity.
When shark populations decrease, there is a ripple effect that spreads throughout the entire ecosystem.
Sharks are a keystone species, which means that they protect habitats, ensure the health of the ecosystem, help cycle nutrients, and also regulate species populations.
For example, they help prevent smaller predators from overpopulating and overeating smaller herbivorous fish, which helps regulate all of the trophic levels in the environment.
Sharks bring nutrients from coastal and shore waters into the coral reef ecosystems to help make the ecosystems more productive so that when the nutrients are introduced, the organisms are able to thrive.
So, Isabella, why do sharks affect us?
Well, sharks maintain healthy ecosystems in the ocean, which provides most of the world's oxygen and also helps provide food for billions.
Wow, did you also know that sharks eat the diseased and weak fish that are in the ocean? So they help prevent diseases spreading throughout different fish populations, which is very important because marine life makes up almost 80% of the diets of people. A way we can stop this horrible thing from happening is by advocating for more shark sanctuaries and protected areas around the world, which has already been successful in areas like the Maldives and the Bahamas.
We can also have legislation made banning the trade and possession of these dorsal fins in more countries around the world in order to eliminate the trade of these fins.
My God.
This is an example of Gordon Ramsay showing us around a shark finning market.
They are currently being dried out to be sold on the market.
This is commonly sold in parts of Southeast Asia, Africa, and as well as Brazil.
But it looks to me like there are loads more fins here than bodies. I can't be sure that this is evidence of finning, but before I get a chance to check if anyone is monitoring this, I'm confronted by port security.
Shit! This is a huge catch here. And the scary thing is that 80% of the sharks here are not even local sharks, they're from the rest of the world.